Good morning, students. Today we have come to the last class of tense. Today we will finish the study of tense. It's the last tense, fourth form of future tense. Future perfect continuous tense. The structure of the sentence, we use the verb shall have been, will have been plus ing verb. Shall have been, will have been plus ing verb. As I have already told you that in all the four types of future tense, the common verb is shall will plus v1. After shall will, always first form of verb comes. And in this structure also, shall have v1, will have v1. After shall will, v1 will come. Then another form of verb can come. But just after shall will you use, if you use just after shall will second, third, fourth or fifth form of the verb, main verb, then that sentence will definitely be wrong, will be quite wrong. So one thing you must remember in your mind, that shall will plus v1 is common verb structure in all the four types of future tense. So today is the last class of tense. It's the last tense, future perfect continuous tense. I would like to inform you that this tense is not very common. We don't use this tense often. Very rarely we use this tense. This tense is so rare in use. But while studying in the questions exercise, suppose question is fill in the blanks with future perfect continuous tense. At that situation we must learn this tense, use of this tense, its structure. So but with the help of other tenses we express our thoughts and feelings. This tense generally not used, very rare. Only in the exercises, only in exercise of tense we use this for filling the or using future perfect continuous. In general spoken English, we rarely use this tense. It's not often used. Now, like all the tenses, we have to know about this tense also, that in which situation, in which situation we will use this tense. Its use is that action in progress for some time in future. It is future, so we are talking about future time. In future time, some action will be going on, happening, in progress, continuous for some time. In future time, some action or event will be continuous, going on, happening, in progress for some time. Continuous, in progress for some time. In that situation, we will use this tense. Yes, now I speak some examples. Example: I shall have been teaching. I shall have been teaching for 2 years in this school. I shall have been teaching for 2 years. Only this one complete. I shall have been teaching for 2 years. We can also add some more information. I shall have been teaching for 2 years in this school. Some more information we can add. By the end of October. By the end of October, I shall have been teaching in this school for 2 years. Another example: by the end of this month, by the end of this month, he will have been studying. He will have been studying in this school for 5 years. By the end of October, he will have been studying in this school for 5 years. Another example: by next December. By next December, they will have been working here. By next December, they will have been working here for 5 years. By expression, we can also write at the end. We can say they will have been working here for 5 years by the end of next December. By expression can be used also at the end. So students, that's all for today. Tense complete. Thank you.